Hi, welcome back to AutoServe. Today I will show you how to add your delivery date or pickup day on the order confirmation email in 5 minutes. So as you see on the screen, the first thing you would need to do is open our app. All right. So now heading to settings, in general, scroll down to the section where we say add delivery date to notification. You are here at email order confirmation, and here all the steps that you you need to do. It looked like a lot of steps, but it's actually pretty easy. The first thing, let's open where you need to make the change. So let's click here. If you are on desktop, it's automatically open the setting page for you. Otherwise, you can just click settings and scroll down to notification. Click on customer notification and then click on order confirmation, because this is where the customer will receive this email every time they place an order. While we are in here, we already passed step 1, 2, 3. Now at step 4, we need to click on edit code. In here, click on edit code. Now, this is the important part where step 5, we explain to you where you need to make the code change. Now we have it coded for you. So you just need to copy and paste at the right place. If you read this, and if you are a Mac user, you can click Command F, or if you are a Windows user, you can click Control F to find where this particular code is. Let me copy this. Command C to copy on a Mac. In here, within this snippet, it's very long, right? It's okay. Don't get scared. We click Command F, it will pop up the search. Or we can click Command Controls F on Windows. And then we paste email body in here. We paste this one in there so we can search. It's at line 141. Or you can just scroll all the way to line 141. As the moment we record this video, Shopify keep this one as line 141, but they change it in the future. But easiest way is to just use this find and search tool to find where it is. So this is where we need to make the change. You can also search for it by email underscore body. Now, when you search email underscore body, on the top at line 15, there's 1, 2, but not this one. This one is the second one. So this email body is the one, the place that we want to make the change. 6, where we need to add a new line so we can make a code change. So we hit enter to add a new line. Now we go back to the app and check for step 7. Here, we asking you which delivery day or pickup day, or are using both? Are you store using both? If you are using delivery day, select delivery day, so delivery information only. Then it have the delivery day and delivery day in here. If you are pickup, you are using a pickup extension, you click on pickup. If you are using both, you can click both. Let's assume you are using delivery date. So if you are using delivery date, click on this one. The code is already here. Now on the right side, you click copy. Now it's all good. You go back to the app, you go back to the code change, and at line 142, the new line, you just need to paste that code in here. And don't add any other extra things in here. Just click save. That's it. Now, one thing to know is that if you click preview, you may not see it because the preview order, this is the dummy order that Shopify just mock up. It's not a real order. So it doesn't have a customer selected delivery date. That's why you don't see it. But assume that the customer, when they receive the order, they will see an email like this with order number, and they will see delivery information and delivery date. So now go back to our step. We have noted in here that this is optional for you to preview, but know that preview order typically won't show the actual delivery date information, but the real customer could. and then make sure you click save. When you make the change, click save. It actually is saved now. Now everything is done. Now I want to place an order so you can see it coming on my email. So let's go to our store and let's pick one of the demo we have in here. Or this demo is already have the day selected on the product page, but for the cart page, for example, choose your delivery date on the cart page. Let's say we want to pick on the 26th for delivery day of this order. Now we place the order. What we want to see is on the email, we will receive an email which similar to this information that the customer selected here on the June 26th. This is the United States format. With the non-United States, it will be 2606. So let's go look. Here it is. Delivery information is on 26 June, Thursday. And that's it. Thank you for your time. Let us know if you have any question. Send it